Goodbye.
Bye bye.
Hi and good morning plane spotters and aviation lovers. I'm Star Plane Spotter and I just arrived at Oslo from my flight with Widerøe-8100. In the morning, I flew Ethiopian Airlines for the first time from Stockholm to Oslo, and tonight I'm flying the airline again from Oslo back to Stockholm. The aircraft was supposed to be a Boeing 787 Dreamliner, but later changed to a 777, which I'm not mad at all. However, the flight cost me 305 Swedish kroner, which is $29.12. What's special about this flight is that it's one of the cheapest flights to book on a 777 and it's also one of the shortest flights of a 777. The shortest flight in a 777 top 1 is British Airways from Antigua to Basseterre, which takes 21 minutes. My flight in Ethiopian Airlines will take 43 minutes. Let's board the aircraft. Hello.
Hello sir, welcome.
Come
Your
on
boarding
board.
pass, please.
Yes. My seat for tonight is 12L. At my seat there was a pair of earplugs, a blanket, and a pillow waiting for me. The legroom is amazing for my height. The tray table is fully opened. In the seat pocket, I found a magazine, 2 ear sickness bags, another magazine, and of course the safety card. The seat pocket is very good, just like SES Airbus A350. In the middle of the tray table, you will find a cup holder. On the right side, you will find a USB port and a coat hook. The in-flight entertainment screen is small, old school, and still works very well. I was surprised to find out that it's a touch screen. Above me, I found only reading lights, and on the left armrest there was a remote control. There's one power outlet under my seat. The headrests are adjustable and you can move both of the sides. And here's my view, which is great, because I'm sitting next to the engine. Let's enjoy the flight.
Your seatbelts. Simply slide the continental into the back hole after it clicks and adjust the straps until completely tight. Try fast.
Since the flight is very short, there's not so much to do, but here's the lavatory of the aircraft, which is not too bad. Before we land, let me tell you about the aircraft that I'm flying. The registration is ETANR. The name of the aircraft is Sahara and is 12 years old. She only flew with Ethiopian Airlines.
Boarding of joining passengers. Our ground time here will be approximately an hour. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Goodbye.
Home sweet home. I'm finally back home. I'm very tired and exhausted. The two flights with Ethiopian Airlines, both of them were very good, but the first flight, the cabin crew was very not that friendly. Excuse me, is it okay to have a jump seat? I'm an aviation lover and...
Why jump seat? There is free seat.
Oh yeah, I know. But they were more friendly in the second flight. But I'm not complaining anything. I also wonder why I got juice in the first flight and why I didn't get any juice in the second flight. And that's weird. All in all, a very good flight, a very good airline, and a very great airplane. So I hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time. Good night and bye.